God.
Like it's hot. Drive it like I stole it. Oh God.
Oh God.
Yes, yes, I got that on video.
Nuts, they would be crushed about now.
Good thing she's a girl.
It's a good thing you're a girl, babe. We're gonna have to replay that one.
Of course, with her luck, she might have a big old gash on her thigh or something now.
She's gonna come back battered.
Don't put your
Use the
feet down.
brakes, use the brakes, that handlebar.
There you go. Is she gonna fall again?
Squeeze the brakes.
The turns are touchy.
Are you all right?
What happened up there?
She's like, oh yeah, I feel it.
What happened up there?